Wow, actually, can you come in on this? Look at these. This is a carpet of sea squirts. Absolutely amazing. Now, a number of these are known to be invasive, and what we'd have to do is take samples in order to see how many of these are native and how many are non-native. Can you see the ones with the tubes sticking out? Tube worms, fan worms. Trude?
Fan worms, yeah.
So we've got fan worms, and if you look, oh, this is just beautiful. What have we got here, Trude?
Enemies and stuff under that side.
So you see the white ones, that Harriet called funky little white ones, plumrose anemones. Wow, we've got feeding mussels. You see on that corner? They're open, feeding. A selection of sponges, the orange things. Oh, we do have jewel anemones. We do. Look, can you see there? Bright green spots. They're tiny jewel anemones. Jewel anemones come in lots and lots of different colours. This is just lush, isn't it? So you can see that anything that's put here for any length of time will be covered, absolutely covered, in biological marine life. And it's just been really interesting to find out what it is. Cool. You can you see over here? Can you see over there the bright green dots?
Yes.
Just near the top are tiny, tiny jewel anemones. And if you look further down, can you see where the sugar kelp is? That's that long big brown one. Towards the bottom of the pontoony bits, there's some that are really pale, next to the orange sponge.
Yeah.
They're the same sort of species group, but just different colour morph. Fascinating,
They're
isn't it?
beautiful, because those ones with the green dots, they go sort of purpley, don't they?
Yeah,
Yes.
they can go all sorts of different colours. People go and dive in the sillies just to see this stuff, you know? Whereas here it is, right on our pontoon.
Got some pontoon bottom, see?
Yeah. And the fan worms, look, they're out and feeding. It is just fabulous. And this is all next to the harbour pilot boats, Trelawney, and the harbour master crew boat. Literally within 20 metres of Falmouth Quay. So this is one of the pillars of the pontoon. That's planning to be in our photos. And as you can see, a number of different species, some of which are iridescent. Oh, look at that. Sea squirts, tube worms, Ulvalactuca, barnacles. Oh, how interesting.